Karnataka State will soon introduce a comprehensive space policy aimed at boosting investments, innovation, and cutting-edge technology as announced by Minister Priyank Kharge during the inauguration of the Bengaluru Space Expo. Organized by ISRO, INSPACe, NSIL, and CII, the event will run until September 20 at the Bengaluru International Exhibition Center. Kharge emphasized the potential of the global space economy, currently valued at $630 billion and projected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2035. He highlighted Bengaluru's emergence as a space startup hub, citing the recent success of Pixxel, a local startup that secured a contract with NASA. The exhibition has attracted over 150 participants from 14 countries and features more than 160 space companies. Among the highlights is cricketer Steve Waugh's role as brand ambassador for the Space MAITRI mission, which involves collaboration between India and Australian companies.